In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, grab your computer and open your web browser. Head over to your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the interface. You'll see various options, but we're specifically looking for the one labeled Projects. Now, let's take the next step. You'll want to hover over that Projects option. As you do this, a little plus icon should appear next to it. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This is your gateway to creating a new project. Now, after clicking the plus icon, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose from various project templates. This is an exciting part because templates are designed to suit different workflows and project management needs. On the left panel, you'll see various categories of projects. You can take your time to browse through these options to find the one that fits your team's workflow the best. Depending on your particular needs, whether it's for software development, project tracking, or bug tracking, there's likely a template for you. Once you find a template you like, simply click the Use Template button associated with it. All right, now we're getting to the important part. After selecting your template, you'll need to enter some details to finalize the setup of your new project. Start by providing a project title. This is important because it will be the first thing you and your team see when you navigate through your Jira dashboard. Make it clear and concise so everyone understands what the project is about at a glance. In addition to the project title, there may be other fields for you to fill out depending on the template you've chosen. For example, these could include a project key, which is a unique identifier for your project, or descriptions to help your team understand the scope and objectives of the project. Make sure to fill out any other required details specific to the template you selected, as these elements can vary significantly. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, you might see a button at the bottom that says Create Project or something similar. Go ahead and click that button, and voila, you have successfully created a project in Jira. After creating the project, take a moment to explore the features available in your new project space. You'll likely want to set up some boards, configure workflows, and invite your team members to get started on their tasks. Jira offers a robust set of tools that can really help streamline your project management process. And there you have it. Creating a project in Jira is a straightforward process. Once you've got the hang of it, you'll find that managing your tasks and projects becomes significantly easier. If you have any questions about what to do next or any specific features you're interested in, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for joining me.